Hi, my name is Reagan and I am a registered nurse here at EuroPhoria Medical and Personal Spa. Do you show these 4 signs of aging? Skin color that appears grayer because of less blood flow, fine vertical lines around the mouth, skin texture that is less smooth, which causes the face to appear worn or tired or droopy, loss of volume, which changes the natural shape of the face? If the answer is yes, you are not alone. So many clients come here feeling unattractive because their skin shows the normal signs of aging. With so many ways to rejuvenate the face, we often don't look for a better way. I hate seeing people suffer from a lack of self-confidence, whether it be from the aging process or the other myriad of causes for our appearance to change. Many people feel less than stellar as they get older. Although they want to drink from the fountain of youth, they still want to look like themselves and are afraid to have treatments performed because they do not want to look like they've had work done. Here's the reality. Many people are made to look less attractive by medical professionals despite seeking treatments to appear more attractive. Most people go into a physician's office hoping to look better, only to walk out hours later looking far worse. Why? The majority of medical schools still do not teach how to use injectable tools. Many doctors and other medical aesthetic professionals only attend a day or weekend lectures sponsored by the manufacturers of the material. Some just read a book. The medical personnel often get little training about how to choose the proper filler or choose between fillers or even about alternate techniques of injecting. But that's not the end of the problem. It actually gets worse. Here's the real problem you're facing. The good procedures work on some people some of the time. The best procedures work on some people all of the time. And worst of all, most procedures are hit and miss because there is no standardization about how they're applied, what they're applied with, or even how much training is required to apply them. So you could walk into physician A's office with one outcome, only to have an entirely different and undesirable outcome with physician B. Same name, different game. But luckily for you, there's finally a solution. Introducing the Vampire Facelift. The Vampire Facelift, a revolutionary procedure that is all about you. The entire procedure is customized to match you, your needs, your lifestyle, your wishes, and everything is standardized, from the materials used to the techniques employed. That way you can be confident that your results will end up the way they're supposed to. Here's how we do it. First, we look at your face in great detail. That means we change the lighting and angles to see how you look in a variety of situations. We take and study photographs, and we carefully evaluate what distracts from your natural beauty and what complements it. Then we take the time to understand your life and the type of attitude or look you want to convey. We also ask what bothers you about your face and take into consideration the mathematics of beauty. Then and only then do we create a plan. By now, you're probably asking how I can be so confident of this procedure. Here's why I can say with 100% certainty that the Vampire Facelift is amazing and that you'll be thoroughly impressed by your results. Dr. Charles Reynolds is the creator of the Vampire Facelift, and his credentials are outstanding. He earned board certification in internal medicine in 1993. Since then, he's worked as an emergency room doctor, invented and trademarked numerous anti-aging procedures, and founded the Reynolds Center for Lifelong Health. Some big names have been used and loved the Vampire Facelift, including Angelina Jolie, Demi Moore, Robert Pattinson, and Vanessa Hudgens, among countless others. The magic elixir for the Vampire Facelift is something your body naturally produces, which can give you a confidence that is impossible in many other anti-aging procedures. But don't just take my word for it, proof. Listen to these testimonials from real self. One patient reported, "My skin was glowing like a light had been turned on inside. My cheekbones were higher, an old chickenpox scar has faded, and the marionette lines around my mouth were gone." Another client wrote, "I can't say enough about how pleased I am with the results. My skin is refreshed and plump, and I look more lively and much younger than before." And yet another person recently said, "I had a PRP facelift, filler with PRP, and I love it. Can't tell you how it changed my skin and filled my deep wrinkles, especially in tear trough and cheeks. I'm a fan." Here's exactly what you can expect when you get the Vampire Facelift. First, we will provide the extensive evaluation of your needs that I already described. This includes mapping out your unique facial composition and assessing what beauty looks like to you. Then we will apply a numbing cream. You may choose to skip this part, yet most of our clients prefer the added layer of comfort. The cream contains 3 forms of the same class of drugs that the dentist uses when working on a tooth. Next, we draw blood from your arm. This is just like a blood test at the lab, except that we'll have numbed the area beforehand. Approximately 1 or 2 tablespoons of blood is drawn. After that, the physician injects an HA filler. In doing so, your face is sculpted into a more beautiful shape. Lastly, it's time to combine the platelets from the tube with calcium chloride to release the growth factors, and then inject the PRFM into your face. Once the treatment is done, we'll provide you with comprehensive aftercare instructions so that you're sure to get maximum results. If you want to have a more youthful, sculpted face, eliminate the discoloration of skin that's common with aging, tighten and lift sagging skin, and enjoy smoother, more lush skin, then it's time to act now. I love seeing patients' faces light up when they look in the mirror after this procedure. The filler placed during the procedure gives the client instant gratification, which is always a plus. But the best part about the procedure is the effects that take place in the weeks to follow. I love the way a more youthful appearance can be life-changing for most patients. They become more self-confident, and that happiness spills over to every area of their life, work, friends, etc. It truly is a life-changing decision to receive the Vampire Facelift. Call EuroPhoria Medical and Personal Spa today to schedule your free consultation. If you're a good fit for the procedure, we'll discuss next steps and get you scheduled as soon as possible. Remember, every minute you wait to schedule the Vampire Facelift is another minute wasted on feeling less than absolutely beautiful. Call now at 661-847-4772.